So guys, we're here at Wendy's along Shaw. So nakalagay dito, quality is our recipe. So nakalagay dito is 100% pure beef. I ordered the big double burger. So I'm a burger lover and review natin siya. No? So it's not exactly that cheap. The meal, ano siya, because nag-order pa ako ng ng honey mustard. So mas prefer ko sana kung basic mustard, pero try natin yung honey mustard nila. And then to be honest guys, you know, I'm not too much of a fries guy, pero masarap yung fries nila. It's a little bit darker than the usual chain, no? Like si J at saka si M, mas lighter sila. Ito I think talagang nanggaling siya from real potatoes dahil hindi perfect yung mga potato pieces nila. Relatively, mas gusto ko siya. This is one of the better fries na maubos ko na nga yung mga fries doon sa iba, hindi ko maubos eh. I like their fries. Masarap yung fries ng Wendy's guys. Okay. Off the bat, siya. Okay. I would say standard size siya. Worth it for the price point ng total ko dito is 370 pesos because yung double 350 plus the honey mustard 20 pesos siya. So, okay, pause ko muna. Lalagyan ko kasi siya ng honey mustard tsaka ketchup. Okay, so I'm about to put mustard and ketchup sa fries, sa ating burger, no? So papakita ko sa inyo yung hack ko. Dahil kasi 'di ba pag naglagay ka ng sauce or ketchup, or mustard sa burger, tapos ginanon mo, lumalabas sa gilid, 'di ba? So what I do is this. Alright. So you can see, ito siya. Yung ginagawa ko, I put a few pieces of fries, usually mga 4 to 5, pero kung lesser, dahil kasi yung nangyayari, parang nagiging nakaangat ngayon yung there you go, makapal, nakaangat ngayon yung sauce, or rather yung patty, so hindi na pipit-pit yung sauce na lumalabas siya sa gilid. So right now, yung sauce magiging andito lang. So what I do is, I put the here, para hindi siya lumabas sa gilid. So pag binight mo, andun pa rin yung ketchup at saka so maliit masyado yung nila, no? So you really have to put 2 ketchups into the liit ng ketchup eh. Okay. I think sakto kung dalawa na. So, you can see the ketchup will now be nakakulong lang siya dito. Diba? Sulitin natin yung ketchup. Ayan. So, and then, yung mustard, lalagay ko. Taste ko muna yung mustard niya kung type ko. Mustard naman siya. So, I like it. Mustard dito. And this one, I think is a mixture of mustard. Pag sumobra, lalabas pa rin siya. So, hindi ko masyadong dadamihan. Mustard, honey, and mayonnaise, I think. So, ganyan na siya. What I think I need to do is paganyan. So, the white part of the patty. So, pag pinipit mo siya, para makain mo, hindi magsisilabasan sa gilid yung sauce. So, yeah. Kasi, hindi lumalabas. Because, hindi kaya ng bibig natin yung ganito ka. So, kita nyo, kung lumabas man, hindi ganun karami. Moment of truth. Ayan. Moment of truth, guys. Let's taste it. Malabas siya eh. So, kakalat ko lang siya ulit dun sa bread. Ayan. So, binaliktad ko dahil pag andito yung sauce, pupunta dito ko. So, babaliktad ko para nakalabas yung Ayan. Try natin to. Ayan. Musisi, no? Dahil kasi pag kumain ka ng burger, lalo na pag sa kotse, tapos hindi ka kakalat sa damit mo yung sauce pag masos ka. There you go. There you go. Sabi nga ni Ninong Rai, perfect bite. So let's see. Oh, okay. Lumalabas ng konti yung tomato. So pinitpit natin ng konti para magkasya sa bibig. Still, mapapabuka yung bibig natin dito. Pleasantly surprised, guys. Masarap siya. For a burger lover, I would recommend at least a double. Dahil kasi nalalasa mo talaga yung beef. It's really beefy. It's not like huhulaan mo pa kung beef talaga o hindi. Because with some, especially those bigger fast food chains, na-notice ko parang hahanapin mo yung lasa ng beef, This one is really beefy. So, sabi nila 100% beef. Maybe that's why it's a little bit more expensive. I like the taste of this. So, babalik-balikan ko na siya from now on. Dahil kasi, iba yung Wendy's back in my day. Masarap talaga. You can even taste the beef fat, but the combination with the pickles and the tomato and the veggies, I would say that enough yung veggies niya. Hindi siya kulang. Could we use a little bit more kung mas marami pa? But the taste is on point for me. Gusto ko siya. This may be one of my go-to burgers for the next few months. It's got onion. Okay, may onion siya. May tomato, may pickle siya. Pipino. Okay. You can really taste the beef. Pag inano mo yung even yung beef fat, yung fatty taste of the beef, it's there. So you know it's real beef. Hindi siya parang mas marami pang extenders. Hindi. This one, if may extender, I'm not sure kung meron, pero it tastes like real beef talaga. So last bite and then I'm gonna stop the video. Really has that good beef taste. I love this. Panalo to, guys. Kung nagka-craving kayo ng burger and you want a beefy tasting burger na hindi mo hulaan, I can at least go here to the Shaw Boulevard. I think pare-parehas naman yan. Yun na, guys. I would recommend Wendy's double burger. Okay, big double. Manalo siya. You can get it the complete meal for $3.50. I added $20 for the honey lemon sauce. Yun lang, guys. Highly recommended. Like, share, subscribe please kung gusto nyo ganitong content. And see you next time.